The wet tropics of far north Queensland dates back to the ancient Gondwana rainforest and is home to a plethora of unique species. One such species is the southern cassowary, referred to as the rainforest gardener, as it is a keystone species, thus playing a major role in maintaining the continued balance and biodiversity of the rainforest ecosystem as they swallow fruit whole, digest the pulp and pass the seeds unharmed in large piles of dung further afield, resulting in the movement of seeds across rainforest landscapes. Therefore, without the cassowary's ability of long-distance seed dispersal and its movement within the rainforest, there would be many implications for not only the continued growth and rejuvenation of the rainforest, but a follow-on effect for other threatened rainforest species. However, alarmingly, the cassowary, although in abundance in the early 1900s, has declined rapidly, and numbers now sit at around 4,000. Consequently, it is listed as an endangered species under the Environment Protection and Biodiversity Conservation Act of 1999. As the possible extinction of the southern cassowary is an issue close to many people of the wet tropics, resulting in many organizations and volunteer groups aimed at preserving the species through environmental projects and education. Therefore, to ensure the information used within this report was valid and unbiased, it was necessary to investigate information on academic sites such as Google Scholar and the Curtin Library, retrieving studies and reports conducted by universities, government organizations and scientists, information considered to be reputable as the studies are based on data rather than opinion. On researching the plight of the southern cassowary, it is noted that as human development continues to grow, the cassowary has edged closer to extinction. By 1997, 81% of native vegetation had disappeared through habitat fragmentation, causing disruption to the movement paths and corridors, resulting in the breeding range of an individual and food sources to be separated. Roads and traffic are another major threat to cassowaries due to habitat fragmentation and road death tolls. After vehicle strikes, dog attacks have been known to adversely affect numbers. In addition, tropical cyclones have had devastating impacts on the cassowary habitat, causing widespread disturbance and, consequently, leading to temporary food shortages. Following on, the importance of the cassowary as a keystone species helps to maintain the diversity of the rainforest, as seed dispersal and landscape movement patterns result in the movement of seeds across rainforest landscapes, as without cassowaries, these species would only occur in concentrated pockets around parent trees. The cassowary does not only ensure the continued balance and biodiversity of the rainforest plant system, but has a flow-on effect for other threatened species, such as the northern quill, tree kangaroo, and mahogany glider, which rely on the fruit from these trees as a primary food source. As the fundamental concept of sustainability within the Australian curriculum is formed around the concepts of systems which supports all life on Earth, worldviews on ecosystems, and creating a more sustainable future, therefore, the plight of the southern cassowary and future implications to the ecosystem makes for a valuable study linking to the Australian curriculum as it develops students' knowledge, awareness, and values as they explore the cause and effect of the plight of the southern cassowary. This would be best suited to Year 4's content descriptor of Living Things Depend on Each Other and the Environment to Survive, as it investigates how living things rely on one another and the environment, along with a content descriptor of Earth's surface changes over time due to natural processes and human activity, as the home of the cassowary is susceptible to tropical cyclones, resulting in widespread damage to the forest structure, along with fragmentation due to human development, therefore linking back to the curriculum as to how the Earth changes due to natural processes and human activity.